Hi Beshi! Samahan niyo akong magluto ng spicy honey garlic chicken for my baon serye. So, it's good for 5 servings na Beshis. And syempre, tinrack natin ang calories niyan. So, we have your chicken thighs and then nag-season lang tayo ng Himalayan salt, both sides of course. And we have to season the chicken generously. So, wala akong pepper na nilagay but I added some Spanish paprika as well. Hindi nyo na kailangang i-marinate to guys kasi ako talagang rekta niluto ko kaagad. So, sa ating pan, naglagay ako ng oil. Of course, natimbang ko na rin yan, Beshies. And we added our chicken. So, lutuin lang natin siya hanggang golden brown. And while our chicken is cooking, nagawa naman ako ng sauce. We have here soy sauce. Naglagay din ako ng vinegar para hindi madaling masira yung ating sauce. And we'll have here garlic powder and Spanish paprika yung tira natin kanina. And of course, our honey. So, nabili ko pala yung honey Beshies sa US. And, ayun, nag-add na ako ng chili dito. It's a homemade chili gawa ni mother. And cornstarch para mas malapot ang ating sauce. Of course, we have here our garlic. Sa same pan, binawasan ko lang yung oil. Naglagay ako ng garlic and we added our sauce. Ibinalik ko yung chicken dyan. And then, medyo nilakasan ko yung apoy para talagang lumapot and mag-thicken yung sauce and para mas mabawasan. And there you have it. Meron na tayong baon sa work. Thank you for watching.